Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in. Today I have this little pink box here, this Lurella. A little late arrival. Whenever there's a hub in California, and I can't recall the name of the hub right now, I'd have to look it up. When packages hit that hub, it's like a dead zone. We have one in New Jersey. I think it's called Avenel, New Jersey. Sometimes when packages hit there, they just sit. And the hub in California is the same way. And this box hit that hub, and I was like, no, and it doesn't generally. So, you know, it is what it is. But I just got done filming my Trendmood box, number 28. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. What an awesome, awesome box that is. So we're going to do Lurella. Let's see. Give some cards. Let's see what we see here. We can give a quick little peek. There's a palette, which I think I already took off the top of the box. Let's see. We'll start here. This has been a good box as of late. Did have its little period of time where it wasn't so great. So now it seems to be back. And this is like a silicone, not like, it is a silicone makeup bag, which is great for makeup brushes, because you can wash it out. You could probably flip this inside out, wash it, makeup if you wanted to, but I think this would be great for brushes because, you know, if they're dirty coming back, hopefully you don't take dirty brushes away, but if you do, that's you do you. You can just put them in here and not have to worry about dirtying something. So that's a nice little item. I have one, so I might share this one and just, you know, put it in my giveaway area and share it with someone. I don't need, what's that, like multiple palettes in here this time. This is like full of stuff this time. Here we have a headband. I have one of theirs. I think mine's black or blue. This one's white, and these are really nice. That there's like this front is a bow, so I'll probably share that too. And of course, I'm putting things off to the side, and you know, then Oreo wants to come smell them, and I don't want my dog near items that I'm going to necessarily give away or have her smell them. I mean, she's near them. But. So let's see what you are. Another little merch item. A hair towel. I'll share this. I don't use these at all. I have so many of like those turban style ones, and I just really don't find I use them all that much. But this has a cute little, I guess that's a bear. Is that a bear? Probably. Like as your closure. So I'll share this too. So I'll share these 3 merch items. I'm just going to move them off to the side. Okay, so now let's see what we have in here. Nicely packaged, everything. So here we have a powder blush called Pinch Me. So let's get everything open. Usually their products are sealed, which I do appreciate. They seal stuff. I'm just trying to not cut my finger. Because that does happen with this package cutter. Powder blush, and this is Sweet Peony right here. So here's the color, Sweet Peony. Let's see what this looks like. Trying not to destroy the box too much. Package, nice little thin. This is the shade. That's really pretty. I like that. It's a great color. It's almost very similar to my Tarte one that I have, which I'm hitting pan more and more on. Today I don't have blush on. I just wasn't feeling it. So let's see what you look like. Oh, you're nice and light. I don't know if you can see that. It's just light. I didn't go ham on it, but that would be perfect just to, because I'm not big. I don't want to see this big streak of blush, but you know, sometimes you want it on. That's really pretty. I do like that a lot. But like I said, that kind of matches my my Tarte one that I love. And then here we have, and I think this is a highlighter. Usually it is a highlighter. This is in Bliss. And a lot of times we get dupes on these, so I do share them because I do have, I think, most of their stuff. Try to open this a little more careful. I think it's a highlighter. Beautiful packaging they have. Magnetic. Yeah. Oops. I do have that. So that's pretty. So I won't be putting my finger in that because we'll share that. That's good. Here we have Mini Glow. So this is probably a light. Oh yeah, I have one of these, and maybe I'll share this one too. And these are just, I would get mine, but it just, ooh, scared me. A clip, and then there's a light on it. I keep it, I have a little wire like organizer, and there's different levels here next to on my bedside table that I have like my current bills in and stuff like that. This way when I get my mail, I can just drop stuff in there, because I pay like household bills and my personal bills from my laptop, you know, where I film, which is here. And so I keep that over there, and I have one of these on there. Sometimes you just need a little light, but it's a good clip. So I'll share that one. I don't, like I said, I already have two. I have one from IPSY and then one from Lurella. So there's that. And here we have an ultra gloss, and is in the shade As If, and I have had this many times. They, you know, they duplicate this quite a lot. I mean, it's pretty, but like, you know, I don't need 5 of them. So I don't mind sharing. Being able to give back is so rewarding and brings so much joy, especially at holiday times. Oh, no, I don't know if I have that one. I think I do. It just really is, you know, it makes it half the fun. Just to give. You don't have to receive. I'm not about receiving. I'm all about giving. We have 2 brushes here. LC26 right here, and this is an angled brush. I know that might be hard to see. I don't want to open these because I'm going to share them. So that's a nice little angle brush. And this is their LC22, and this is, you know, shadow brush. So I'll share those. And we have a liner. Liner angle. Let me see. I don't know if this is white. Might be. I do have their white eyeliner. Works great in, I mean, waterline. How do I open you? I'm going to destroy the package because I'll probably share it if it is white. I mean, I don't keep black liners. I really have enough liners. I don't need to keep any liners, so I'm just trying to be super careful to open this up. And if it looks white, then it's going to be white. And this is great for waterline. You know, yeah, it is white. I'll show it to you. It's a nice felt marker, and if you wanted to, you can get in the inner corner if you want, and it will last. Let me just make sure that's good and closed. Yep. So I'll share that also. I don't need to keep that. I want to get some of this stuff back in this box because then everything is everywhere, and that doesn't necessarily work for me personally. So it looks like we have 2 palettes. The first one is Xmas Sweater. Once again, always sealed with, you know, plastic. Comes in bubble, like a bubble sleeve. So I have no idea. I have not seen any, I'm just going to put the trash in, any spoilers, anything like that from Lurella. I know Lurella goes live on social media. Has some good sales every once in a while. I know a few, you do watch them. I've caught a few of their lives, but not many. And this is definitely holiday for sure. It's a lot of green and red. So if this is something you like, I will be sharing this ugly Xmas Sweater. It's pretty shades though, and then 1 neutral. But I will share that because I know I will not wear that. I have a few green tones that I've kept, but not, it's not something that I use a lot of. Every once in a blue moon. And then this one is called Icy AF. And this is a shadow palette too. So this is a big one. Curious if this is more like whites and grays and like stuff like that. I don't know. I'm just going to keep all the trash inside these little things. Just trying to keep everything contained. Let me take this out. And we get a little sneak peek here. Oh, okay. So not exactly what I thought, but I mean, I was right on one part, but not on everything. I think I just hit that. So this is more blue tones. Blues, a few greens, but still very pretty palette. If you like these shades, I will not keep this one either. I have ColourPop palettes. I think I actually have one from Lurella that's the blue tones, some silver grays, a few nudes, black, blue, all different shades of, excuse me, blue, and some green tones there also, so not bad. 2 palettes in this box this month. That's really pretty awesome. No complaints with that. And then some merch and some other makeup, and you know, you really can't beat the pricing of it. It is definitely fairly priced. So let me know your thoughts. Do you like this one? I think it's a good mix. We got a few merch items and more of the makeup products. I would love Lurella to have some skincare. Like, I know they have like makeup remover and melts and makeup setting sprays, but maybe some skincare, even if it's just like basic skincare. You know, I don't know if that's in the future. I would love that. So I appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.